Hey everyone, Monica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. And if you're brand new, welcome. In this channel, I talk about stress management, essential oils, wellness, non-toxic living, and a bunch of other stuff. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the herbal essential oils, the least known ones. I had already done a video on the essential oils, the herbs, where I covered the most popular ones like oregano, rosemary, peppermint, and others. And you can watch that one right here. And this one is going to address the least known herbal oils. So let's get right to it. But I want you to stick around because I have a surprise free gift towards the end just for you. And it's free. So that's awesome. Free gift. Okay, first one up is holy basil, known as Tulsi. Native to Southeast Asia, this small, green, bushy shrub with lavender-hued flowers is part of the mint family, and it has a history within Indian health practices as a natural solution for many conditions. And Tulsi, or holy basil, meaning the incomparable one, is considered queen of the herbs. And experimental research suggests that eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, constituents of Tulsi, contribute to its cleansing properties and skin benefits. And our Tulsi, the one that I use, and you can find that one in the description because I'm going to give you 25% off on the essential oil brand that I use. This Tulsi, it resembles a cross between traditional basil oil and clove oil. And it's reminiscent of freshly cut basil, and this warm, sweet aroma, it creates an engaging atmosphere, and it's traditionally used around the world as part of rituals and protection in many cultures, and applied to skin to help keep the appearance clean and healthy. And I just love Tulsi, you guys. I've used Tulsi to appease head tension before, and I just really love the smell. I probably love the smell of Tulsi more than I do of regular basil, I'll be honest. And if essential oils are totally new to you, please watch this video right here on the top 10 benefits of essential oils and its uses. So I really want you to watch that later though, not now. All right, number 2 that I'm going to talk about, least known, is Clary Sage. And Clary Sage is a biennial or perennial herb that grows up to 6 feet in height. Clary Sage oil is known for its calming properties and benefits to the skin. And the main component of Clary Sage is linalool acetate, part of the esters group, and it makes it one of the most relaxing, soothing, and balancing essential oils. In the Middle Ages, the Clary Sage plant was frequently used to soothe skin, and inhaling Clary Sage essential oil adds to promoting a relaxing environment, and if you use it internally, it promotes a restful night's sleep. Now, disclaimer on internal use. I do not recommend that you use essential oils internally because it's just not safe. Over 85% of the essential oils sold in the market are not pure. Some of them are synthetic, some are cut with different things, and you have no idea where they come from. So I do not suggest you do that. Plus, there's some essential oils that it doesn't matter how much and how pure they are, you just can't use them. So if you're really looking for purity, I want you to require a third-party testing with your bottle of essential oil. And you can actually get that with the brand that I use. And you can get 25% off in the description, like I said before. All right, next up is marjoram. And marjoram is known as winter sweet or joy of the mountains. Marjoram was known to the Greeks and Romans as a symbol of happiness. It has been used in culinary dishes and imparts a unique flavor to soups, stews, dressings, and sauces. In Germany, this herb is known as the goose herb for its traditional use in roasting geese. So in modern applications, marjoram oil is valued for its calming properties and its positive benefits when used during a soothing massage. It also supports both healthy cardiovascular and immune systems when ingested. Refer to my disclaimer that I did before. And if you're enjoying this video, please do me a favor, subscribe right here in the red button. Don't forget the notification bell to get you notified when I upload a new video. And please like this video. And if you know somebody that really is into essential oils or is just starting out, please share this with them. Either text them this video or share on their social media, message them, email them, send smoke signals for them to come and watch, okay? So next up that I'm going to tell you about is called Melissa. And Melissa is also known as lemon balm. So it received the name Melissa because of its sweet, fresh, citrus-like fragrance, which was known to attract bees. Melissa is Greek for honeybee. Get it? So there's always an explanation for the name of things. And I digress. As one of our rarest and most expensive oils, Melissa oil has a wide range of health benefits and uses. It is used as a flavor in teas and ice cream, as well as some fish dishes, and it may help support your immune system to be healthy when taken internally, and it also can calm and ease tension in your nerves. So it really encourages a relaxing atmosphere. So there you go. Next one up is patchouli. And patchouli, you're probably thinking of the 70s, right? Wrong. Patchouli is a bushy herb from the mint family. Yes, it is. It is from the mint family. And it has stems reaching 2 or 3 feet in height. And it has little pink-white flowers. And it's easily recognized for its rich, musky, sweet fragrance. And it's regularly used in the perfume industry. Thus why I was talking about the 60s and the 70s. No, it's more the 70s, I think. And I was not born then. Just kidding. I was born in the 70s. Anyway, so it's been used in the perfume industry, and it's also used in scented products such as laundry detergent and air fresheners and so forth. So patchouli is actually very beneficial for the skin in many ways, and it's often used topically to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, blemishes, and minor skin imperfections, and to promote a smooth, glowing complexion. If you want to know more about essential oils and the skin, please watch this video right here that I did on that. Next up is spearmint. And spearmint is a perennial herb that grows 11 to 40 inches tall and flourishes in temperate climates. It's wisely used in gums and candies and dental products for its minty, very fresh taste, and it promotes fresh breath. And spearmint has been used internally for centuries for its digestive benefits because it's part of the mint family, and anything that's part of the mint family tends to really soothe your digestive system. Its sweet, refreshing, and uplifting aroma is ideal to diffuse if you're working or studying or you really need to focus. And spearmint oil is actually very different from peppermint, and it's actually a lot milder to use topically on children and those with sensitive skin. I would not recommend you use this on cats because cats do not metabolize mints very well. So in cooking, spearmint is frequently used in salads and drinks and desserts. You can also make it in homemade salad dressings or to marinate meats. So this is awesome news. I actually have a whole playlist of essential oils, and you can check out all the videos I have there right here. And right now, I want to give you my gift, okay? And that is to download my free green cleaning guide to detox your home. And yes, it has essential oils, but it has some other simple non-toxic ingredients. And this is going to detox your home, and it's going to really help with minimizing your toxicity of cleaning products in your home. So you can actually control that. And I hope you got major value from this video. And I would love for you to comment below. And from the herbal essential oils that I mentioned, which one did you not have any idea about? Which one was totally new to you? Or better yet, which one you haven't smelled yet? Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.